One 1000, two 1000. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, how you doing? And if you're a repeating customer, hope you've been well too. So today I am on the way in my Interceptor and gonna go get the oil changed on it by yours truly. So driving right now to get the car the oil change. I've got the product in the back. I also have the filter in the back, and I got my tools in the back. So if you're not familiar with the 3.7 liter Cyclone engine, takes 6 quarts of 5W20, and the filter size, that I don't remember this in a second, but I'm going to list it on the bottom of the screen, and I'm going to put that in the details below. But anyways, enjoying this nice day in March, and enjoying these amazingly awesome gas price hikes. Let's go, Brandon. Don't know what else to say about that without stirring the pot. So yeah, anyways, on the way to get the car oil change. Gonna check out one of my other cars that I have there on site. And yeah, got a couple different things coming up. May or may not have found a new project car, but I guess you'll just have to stay tuned for that. And after watching my buddy's channel, the Driver Mod, and he gave me an idea for a giveaway. And what we're gonna probably do is potentially in the future a giveaway where it consists of a couple of words or phrases that you put together in a sentence, and you email me. And if you have the phrase that pays, you get the giveaway stuff. So I'm gonna keep you posted on that when I officially do make that announcement. And we're gonna get the oil change done momentarily. As for my 500 swap, tomorrow's looking to be a very, very beautiful day, but comes with a chance of rain, so there's your catch. So I may get that out, may take it out for a little spin. I apologize for sounding nasally. When you have kids that go to school, they tend to bring home germs that you don't really want, and what happens? You end up catching it. So I'm a little but it's not stopping me. So I'm an unstoppable. But anyways, 500 swap is good. Got the next big install ready for that. The only thing I have to do is get my next mid-pipe set, and what that entails is getting the wideband drilled into the mid-pipe, and then the bung being welded into the mid-pipe. So that's left for me to do. I'm gonna get that done, I'm hoping this next week, or at least sometime before my buddy comes in and we do the install. So that being said, my tuner is ready for that. I just need to send him money, pay him, and then I'll have a base file ready for that. And after that, data logging. So I'm really excited for that. I'm like a kid in a candy shop. Can't wait for, spring to get here and this cold crap to, go away. But I'm going to stop rambling on, and we're going to get this oil change done. We'll see you in a few. Elevator going up. There's our oil product. Gonna do oil change today. Woot woot. Alright, here's the cars underneath. pretty clean. I like how these are pretty clean. Got a little bit of precipitation, condensation. I think that's coolant that I've been losing a little. Size 15. Right here. We're gonna do it nice and slow. We're doing this super careful because I gotta use a bucket. The other thing is being used. So, just gonna drip. So, almost there. Drip straight down. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now we're gonna do this, and I'll film after. But filters here, drain plugs here, so it's all within proximity of each other. And there you have it, right into the bucket. So we're gonna drain and deal with the oil filter. Now if you're curious, it's pretty colored. So definitely time for the oil change. Really hot. Very unorthodox, but it'll drain the oil, and then I can take the filter off. Really hot. Almost there. There we go. Now I can finish the drain process. Hand tight, and that's it. This is the filter I'm using. Pro. And then that's the number for this filter for the Explorer. So I'm putting this on this car because I can, and I didn't pay for it. So putting this on, hand tight. Not too tight. Gonna finish up this, which is still draining. Finish this up. Put the plug back in. Pour the oil in. That's on. Putting this back on. Not overly tight, but tight enough. All right, time for the oil. Using my trusted product, amsoil. Pretty good stuff. Put in the car now. One 1,000, two 1,000, three 1,000, four 1,000, five 1,000, six 1,000, seven 1,000, eight 1,000, nine 1,000. All right, this is the sixth and final quart, so should be all ready to go. All right, so I had to rush things up a little bit, so cap is back on, Drain plug is on, filter's on, oil is in the motor. We're good to go. So now that I've got the new oil in the car, I'm going to see how it is temperature-wise with my X4, and I will see how things are temperature-wise when it's running, and we'll see if it runs any cooler. I'm going to keep track of it and keep an eye on everything as per normal. I have found that I do have a little bit of a coolant leak, so I found that the red fluid that's currently in the car was leaking on the bottom somewhere. I'm going to find out where. It was on the bottom of the AC condenser, so I'm going to look into it next time. But that's going to do it for this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Remember to hit like, subscribe down below if you're not, and I'll catch you later on the next one.